ba? Live na ba? Okay, hello mga madam! Welcome sa ating live tonight. Ayan! Benta ito. Come back to the young and beautiful you. Bakit yun na? Nag-toothbrush naman ako! May, ano nagawa mo dyan? Ako dapat dyan. Alam mo yung mga ko ko sa kakita. Ano? Sige. Sorry, Pep. Hello mga madam! Welcome po sa ating live tonight. So ngayon, may ipapakita akong super trending, pinag-uusapan, pinagkakakuluhan. At yun ang moldable false teeth! Okay. Tap! Share! So bago ang lahat pa, share and like muna ng ating live dyan mga madam. So, ngayon, i-demo na natin. Una, first is, ilalagay mo, kuha ka ng warm water, and then, ilalagay mo siya sa, kuha ka lang ng lagayan, lalagay mo yung warm water, and then, lalagay mo lang itong ating moldable false teeth. And, halo-halo lang. Ayan. Tapos, after nyan, imumold mo lang siya sa teeth mo. Ganyan. Ayan. Perfect. Diba? Instant artista smile. Wow! O, ayan na guys. Migas na yung moldable false teeth natin. Ayan, diba? Ang ganda. Instant artista smile. Wow! Ayan. Oh, andito na pala yung mga anak ni Doc Mikey. Uy, hindi to dugo ngipit yan. Ayan na guys, dikit na kayo. Parang may clip sa mga.
Meanwhile,
Yung kay ate nagbibenta ng false teeth.
Oo! Yung gums na sobrang red.
Diba din? Sobrang red. Tapos, cash pa pala si ate ko.
Tapos sasabihin, looking for dentist. Naku, false advertisement.
False teeth na ka.
Let's message her. Hindi natin siya ibaba. Just
Diba ba?
for her.
Igigils?
Hello po, good morning po. Ano po concern natin today?
Good morning po. Online seller po kasi ako. Nag-decide po ako na magpa-check up po sa clinic mo kasi po dahil na rin po sa advice ng mga concerned viewers po.
Alright po ma'am. Sige po, upo muna po kayo tapos make yourself comfortable po. Tapos po, pa-fill out din po nito with your personal information po.
Thank you po.
Sige po ma'am, proceed na po kayo dun sa loob. Nandun na po si Doc. Sige po. Good afternoon po ma'am. Mag-good muna po kayo. Thank you. Upo muna po kayo. Thank you. Lalagay ko po ito dito. Balik, kukuhanin ko po kayo ng vitals sa dito. Yung blood pressure ko po, 120/80. Tatawagin ko lang po sa doktor. Sige.
Good morning.
Good morning, Doc.
What brings you here today?
Nagla-live selling po kasi ako, Doc, ng moldable false teeth. Tapos, after a few weeks po, namaga tapos dumugo po yung gums ko.
I see. So first, we will do the general assessment.
Okay, Doc.
There is redness, swelling, and bleeding. Now we will first do the diagnostic parameters.
Okay, Doc.
And now, we will proceed to periodontal probing. Dito natin malalaman kung gaano kalalim yung mga pocket mo. Five, 8, 9, 6, 7, 5, 8, 9, 6, 7. Okay, ito yung resulta ng probing mo. Ang normal probing depth ay nasa 3 mm lang. Pero yung probing depth mo ay nasa 5, 8, 7, at 6.
Oh, Doc, sobrang laki ka ng pukatan yan. Parang mas malalim pa sa nararamdaman ko sa kanya.
What?
But don't worry, this has a treatment plan. But bago tayo dumating sa treatment plan, kailangan muna natin mag-initial scaling and polishing para malaman kung baka pseudopockets lang at mabawasan yung calculus na nandyan sa loob nito.
So, hindi po pala talaga aesthetic yung ngipin ko, Doc.
Yes po. Yung moldable teeth po kasi, nagtatrap ng bacteria and plaque na malaking reason para dumugo yung gums mo at magkaroon ng calcular deposit o yung sinasabi na natin na tartar.
Based sa initial findings, our tentative diagnosis is generalized gingivitis with suspected periodontitis. But we'll confirm the final diagnosis after 1 week, once the inflammation has subsided following the initial debridement. So you'll need to come back, ma'am, ha? Again, 1 week from now. Okay po?
Noted, Doc. I'll be na po. No more fake teeth.
Good. Now we'll give you oral hygiene instructions.
Okay.
So, bali ganito po yung gagawin mo. Brush twice daily using soft distal brush, small circular motion.
So, bali po, gumamit po kayo ng floss at least once a day to avoid plaque accumulation. Parang ganito po ang gagawin nyo. Sa gitna po, around the tooth, tapos po, pull motion, and other side naman po, sa gap ng mga ngipin nyo po. Yun po ang inyong gagawin.
Noted po. So, parang oral hygiene seminar po pala ang atake nito.
Mas okay na yan kesa kasama ka sa babardagulin ni Doc Mikey, di ba?
One eternity later.
Hi ma'am, how are your gums feeling after the initial cleaning?
Mas maayos na po ngayon, Doc. Hindi na po tulad nung dati na masakit po. And ngayon po, medyo kinakabahan po ako and I'm worried na baka po may problem pa rin po tulad po nung last appointment ko po.
I see. Don't worry po, it's normal for the gums to feel a bit sensitive after ng ginawa nating procedure. What we'll do now is another round of probing to confirm your final diagnosis. So, for today po ma'am, we're going to do scaling and root planing on both the upper right and lower right quadrants ng inyong ngipin. Para masiguro po natin na it is thoroughly clean out of the plaque and calculus that's been hiding under the gum line. So those deep pockets will start to heal and feel less pressure.
A few moments later.
So, we're done for today po ma'am. Kamusta po ang pakiramdam mo ngayon?
Sa totoo lang, Doc, medyo okay na po pakiramdam ko ngayon. Parang naalis po lahat ng sama ng loob ko po. Char. Pwede na!
Mismo. Yan ang goal natin, to clear out all the negativity both in your gums and in your life. So para magtuloy-tuloy ang pag-ayos ng case mo, just keep doing your part ha.
Yes, Doc, sobrang behave and most obedient na nga po ata ako.
Okay, sige. A-awardan kita next appointment. See you next week.
Sige, Doc.
Okay ma'am, for today tapos na po natin gawin ang non-surgical root planing sa left side. Unlike last week, there was more bleeding during the procedure.
True ba, Doc? Gagaling pa po ba to?
Oo naman, as long as you will cooperate sa mga procedure at instruction namin sa'yo, especially when it comes to cleaning between the teeth.
Okay, Doc. Gets po. May tiwala naman po ako sa inyo eh.
Ginagawa niyo po ba talaga ang mga reminders at instructions namin sa'yo?
Yes, Doc. Promise.
If that's the case, pencil case? Ha? So, after 2 weeks, mag-meet ulit tayo. Basta sundan mo lang yung mga itinuro namin sa'yo and we'll expect good results.
Okay, Doc. Copy.
Okay ma'am, na-probe ko na po lahat ng sides ng ngipin niyo. And ang good news, bumagaling na yung gums mo.
Totoo po ba, Doc? So, okay na po ako?
It's looking better, pero hindi pa talaga siya totally magaling. I can say that your right upper teeth are healing very well. But unfortunately, some of your upper left teeth still have deep pockets that remain. Because of that, we'll need to do re-instrumentation on those teeth. I also need to inform you in advance that if the deep pockets remain, we may need to perform flap surgery.
Sige po, Doc. Noted po.
We're hoping we won't need surgery, but we'll see in 2 weeks, depending on whether the pockets are still deep after the re-evaluation.
The dentist is now done of the procedure. Re-evaluation of tooth number 16, 25, 26, and 27. Findings. persistent 5 mm pockets with bleeding on probing on tooth number 25 and tooth number 26.
Ma'am, may good news and bad news po ako. Sa good news po muna tayo. I can really say that you're taking good care of your oral health now. Yung mga deep pockets last time that we observed ay nag-improve na and now within normal depth. Unfortunately, there are teeth that is not yet responding to the treatment.
Ano, Jo? Pagod ka na?
Anong Jo? Sino si Jo? Ayoko na. Pagod. Napagod. Na ako, Charles. So, Doc, hindi pa rin po ako okay.
Pero sa sinasabi ko nga, they're showing good signs. Meaning, may magandang progress ka. So now, we're going to do Kirkland flap. Para makaalis ka na dito, Jo.
Okay, Doc. Sige po. Let's go.
2 hours later.
Procedure done. Avoid hard food, brush gently, and come back after 2 weeks for re-evaluation and suture removal. My dental assistant will give some instructions to you for post-operative care.
Okay, Doc.
So, bibigyan ka po namin ng gamot na pain reliever na iinumin nyo kapag nakaramdam kayo ng sakit. Gumamit po kayo ng chlorhexidine mouthwash twice daily for 2 weeks. Tulad nga po ng sinabi ko dati, for the first 24 hours, avoid brushing near the surgical sites because it might cause the wound to open. Pero pagkatapos po ng 24 hours, pwede na po kayong gumamit ng soft toothbrush to gentle clean the area.
Thank you po, and thank you rin especially kay Doc. I feel like I got a new smile po, pero legit na po this time. So from now on, real smile na tayo, no more DIY!
A week after, the suture was removed and the gingiva showed a very promising healing with no signs of infection. Pocket tabs reduced to 3 mm in pleated areas, and now she's feeling better.
Hi mga madam! Welcome back sa ating live, pero ngayon iba ng ating vibe. First thing first, hindi na tayo magbebenta ng multiple false. So, ang ibebenta na natin ngayon ay oral hygiene. Pili-pili na kayo! Tap, tap, tap! Share! Gusto niyo yun? Character development tayo bago pa tayo mag-bar na to ni Doc Mikey. So, pili na kayo! Basket number 4! At tandaan po natin, hindi natin kailangan ng instant smile. Ang kailangan natin ay clean smile.
What?
At kung may problema sa gums, hindi TikTok content yan. Visit a real dentist. Toothbrush ka ha.
Try out! Pili-pili!
Meanwhile,
Pre, tignan mo to, yung nagla-live na karaan. Diba yun yung pinapanood din na kung nakaraan, may benta ng multiple full stick ba yun? Mabuti at nakakatunto na siya, di na siya nagbibenta. Yun nga, dapat naman talaga, magpa-check ka talaga sa boses mo, hindi para full stick lang ang pag-asa mo. Kasi pwede masira yung ipin niya doon.
Congratulations! 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 Congratulations!
The Kirkland flap procedure is a periodontal surgery for 4 to 5 mm pocket depths, designed to eliminate diseased tissue, restore gingival contour, and promote healing. Prevention and regular dental visits are still the best way to maintain a healthy smile.